What's up nga pala guys, and today mag-unbox tayo, another unboxing. Ang ating binili is Japanese cards mostly, and isang English. It is a Pokemon group, card group. I can vouch, name niya Bernard Lawrence. I will put his combo around here. Ito yung na-dibs natin sa kanyang sale. Ito muna English. Duotion English Reverse Holo. Unlimited. Regalo Canon ba to? Solosis na Unlimited. Solosis na Mewtwo exclusive. Mewtwo versus Genesect, if I'm correct. Yun yung nakuha natin. Unlimited din ito. Reuniclus, wala pa tayo niyan. And first edition, Reuniclus Japanese din. Ang wala na lang tayo nito yung Unlimited nito. And lastly, yung Reuniclus na first edition din. Karamihan na mga kinuha natin is Unlimited sa kanya.